This is the iLevel Power Wheelchair, and it does exactly what it says. It safely puts wheelchair users at eye level, and it empowers them by creating a better experience, while improving daily functionality and quality of life. This life-changing power wheelchair was developed by Pride Mobility Products and Quantum Rehab, who passionately serve individuals with disabilities. The iLevel allows the operation of the power chair with the seat fully elevated, while at walking speed at 4.5 miles per hour. This enables a different type of interaction with the world when engaging with friends and family and conducting business. While elevated, the iLevel doesn't compromise safety or stability. This is due to its patent award-winning extra stability technology that improves safety for transfers, reach, as well as other daily activities. The iLevel has 12 inches of lift and can hold up to 300 pounds on several power chair models, including the H3, H3 Stretto, Q6 Edge 2.0, Q6 Edge 2.0X, and Q6 Edge Z. The Q6 Edge HD power chair has 10 inches of lift and 400 pounds weight capacity. All power wheelchair models come equipped with fender lights and a USB charger. The iLevel can be fitted on the H3 and Q6 Edge 2.0 power chairs. The H3 Stretto power chair is considered to have the most narrow and maneuverable power base in the US, which is ideal for navigating tight corners and small space. It has an overall width of 20.75 inches and 12.5-inch drive wheels. Additionally, it's equipped with independent SRS or smooth ride suspension, which offers increased shock absorption. Also notable is the design of the H3 power chair, which offers an even more advanced power chair experience due to its upgraded SRS. This ensures a smooth, comfortable ride and advanced stability. That's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, please follow or subscribe for more videos like these. I'll see you again very soon.